Good morning children, welcome back. Today again we are going to continue with the fourth part or the fourth session of chapter number 5, that is more on Microsoft Word 2013. Formatting shapes. The Format tab under the Drawing tool appears when you click on the inserted shape. The uses of different options are: Shape Styles option lets you apply preset fill colors and outline colors to the selected shape. To display the Shape Styles gallery, click on the More button. Shape Fill option lets you fill selected shape with a solid color, gradient, picture or texture. The Shape Outline option lets you specify the color, thickness and line style for the outline of the selected shape. The Shadow Effects option lets you apply shadow effects to the selected shape. The 3D Effects option lets you to give a 3D effect to the selected shape. See with this screenshot, shape with textured fill, shape with picture fill inside, shape with dashed outline, shape with gradient fill and shape with glow effect. So adding text inside a shape. You can write text inside an inserted shape by right clicking on it and choosing the add text option. Then type in the required text in the shape. See the screenshot? So you have to select the text shape first, then right click, choose this add text option and then type in the text inside the shape. Inserting symbols. Word allows you to insert some special symbols in a document that are not present on the keyboard, such as this pound symbol, greater than equal to, this copyright symbol and so on. To insert symbol, follow the steps below. Step number 1, place the cursor at the position where you want to insert a symbol. Step number 2, click on the Insert tab. Step number 3, click on the Symbol option. Step number 4, choose a symbol you want to insert from the drop-down list. See from this screenshot. Step number 1, you have to place the cursor in the position in the document. Step number 2, click on this Insert tab. Step number 3, click on this Symbol option. Step number 4, choose any one of the symbols from here. This is listed in the drop down list. More symbols option. Then if the symbol you want to insert is not in the drop down list, you can look for more symbols by opening the symbol dialog box. Follow the steps below. Step number 1, click on the More Symbols option. The symbol dialog box is displayed. This is your step number 1. These are More Symbols options. Step number 2, choose an appropriate font. Step number 3, select the desired symbol. Step number 4, click on the Insert button. As here, this is your step number 2, choose the font. This is your step number 3, choose any one of the symbol from here. Step number 4, click on this Insert button. So that's all. So let us now see practically what we have learned today. Let us now format the shapes. Let's see how to format the shapes. So you can format the shapes with shape style, shape fill, shape outline, shadow effects like this, and 3D effects. How to format the shapes? First select a shape. Here suppose we have selected one shape. We'll be formatting with, say, textured fill effects. So here, as we select in the format tab, shape fill is there, gradient, texture. So choose any one of the effects. Say this is the green texture effect. Okay. Now let's fill this sun with picture effects. Again, shape fill, picture. Select a picture from your files. Okay, let's select it here. This picture, flower, and see the shape is filled with a picture we have selected. Next, say fill it with gradient effects. Again, shape effect, say fill, gradient, choose a gradient color. So it will be filled with that kind of gradient effect. And let's say fill with glow effect. Again, fill, shape effects, and glow effect. Let's fill with glow effect. Now see the shape is filled with glow effect. So this kind of formatting you can do. Now adding text inside a shape. So here's the shape of a sun. Now how to add text inside a shape? First you have to select the shape and then right click. Then choose this add text option. As you do, cursor is here inside. Now type the text which you want. Just make it a little bit bigger. In this way, we can add text inside a shape. Now next is inserting symbols. Let's first write some text and put the cursor at a position. Now this helps to add symbols which is not there in the keyboard. How to do that? So first position the cursor, click on this insert button, insert tab, then symbols option. Here there are some symbols. Select the symbol and the symbol is inserted. This copyright symbol. If you wish, you can put it a little bit on the upper side. Click on this font dialog box, superscript. Okay. Click on OK. Now it is a little bit on top. If you wish to add symbols which is not there in the drop down list, here the most recently used symbols will be there. For that you have to open the symbol dialog box. For this, click on this more symbols option. Choose a font from which you want to choose. Select this font. And now from this list you can choose any symbol which you wish to insert. So you wish to insert this greater than equal to of maths. After this, select the insert button. Then click on close. Now format this like any other text. Okay. So in this way we can
add symbols.
Children, that's all for today. Hope you have understood. So we have come to the end of chapter number 5. Practice in your computer device, and whatever home assignments are given, theoretical or practical, do it carefully and submit to me in proper time, in the proper place. Thank you, goodbye, and happy learning.